Good morning. Good morning. This is Tiana, and it is Friday, November 22nd, 2024. This is day one of my challenge with Take Profit. I am trading the S&P E-mini, and we're going to see how it goes, okay? So we've had a trend down, trend break, and now we've been trending long, so we're almost to the open, and I'm gonna see if I get a trade set up. Looking for second entry long or pull back to my my 4 EMA strategy or a wifey trade. So we'll see what we get. We've already made a second entry, but I don't like this because the EMAs are so congested. So I'm just going to be patient. And plus the market is just opening here in a few seconds. So you never know, what it's going to do, if it's going to reverse. So here we go. All right, so I'm looking at that like, man, I could have took it, but I'm just gonna be patient. I know I will get a pullback eventually, so I'm just gonna wait. I don't like taking the very first move, even though I would have at least had a tick locked in by now. So okay, so we're getting the pullback now. And my EMAs are trending up, so prices are going up. Wait to see if I get a good entry here. I like for my signal candle to be the lowest candle. And I'm only given 3 points of
order filled
risk, but this candle shows some momentum, so that's why I went ahead and took it. I'm not gonna move behind the swing. I'm just gonna stay at my 3-point risk. I don't want to risk any more on my very first trade. So we'll see if it makes a new high. I'll at least get. Okay, so we got our break even +1. So we went up at least 3 points. And we'll see if it keeps going. It did make a new high, but not very much, so it's coming back to try to get me. There we go. So just a tick on that first trade, and that's okay. It was not the best entry. It was a pullback, but it wasn't the best setup. So here it just made a higher low, but it's away from my EMA, so I'm just gonna wait and see if I get a deeper pullback. Okay, so we had a pullback, but that candle turned into a doji. I don't really take doji, so I'm just gonna wait. Hopefully it'll pull back further, and it is. Maybe it'll give me a signal candle. Nope, not quite. If this one breaks higher, I'll go or try to go, but it might leave me. Oh, it's trying to go higher. It's just, there we go. Gotta wait though and see if it gives me a good signal candle. It might be making a second entry long, so it might go back down and test the EMAs. Nope, we're gonna go here, and that should put me behind that candle. So still not the lowest point being my entry candle, but again, it's going with momentum. We got a tick locked in, so we'll get at least a break even +1, so +1 tick. So we'll see. If we get a pullback here, a lot of times you'll get a pullback around 5 points or so, and then it'll continue in your direction. So if I get a pullback, I might add on. But this one's going strong. It is, that's the high from yesterday, so I should have marked that already, but I forgot. So I marked the overall high. So yep, it may pull back here strong, so I'm just gonna try to lock in as tight or tighter. So I'm gonna at least lock in 5. I want to at least make 5 points on this trade. If I make more, then great. But because I know that is a could be an area of resistance from being the high from yesterday, I'm gonna kind of trail it tight. I'll lock in 10 points when I can. 10 points is a great win for me, so I'll be happy with that. 15 is my target, so of course that'd be great too, but we'll see. Oh, it's pulling back. If it goes up again, I'll just lock in. But it's gonna come get me first. That's okay. All right, so 10 points and 1 tick for today.